Years ago, I had a business where I traveled 5 states and 2 provinces selling heating and air conditioning equipment to distributors. I was a manufacturer's rep. Along with the 5 states, every year there was a convention somewhere. It was in Chicago, New York, Atlanta, Dallas, Los Angeles. The first time it was in New Orleans, I discovered Andouille. Andouille is a sausage originating in France, but most commonly seen today in Cajun cooking. In New Orleans, it's really common to see it in red beans and rice, gumbo, a lot of the classic New Orleans foods. I've got 3 different versions of it here. Now, when I really am going to make something with andouille, I go to the local butcher shop. I got a great one a mile from here that is wonderful. And I would encourage you to look at butcher shops, but I don't know what you've got that way in your area, so I picked 3 that you can get commonly at the grocery store. We've got Aidells, we've got Amy Lou, and we've got Johnsonville. The Amy Lou is chicken, the other 2 are pork. And we're going to try these out and see what we got going on here, see if there's anything like the real deal. And I tell you, New Orleans, the food there, incredible. Okay, this is the Amy Lou chicken sausage. It's pretty good. Really nice texture. It kind of threw me because it's so small, but really nice texture. Just a little hint of heat going on. Let's look at the Aidells. Now that's more like a real sausage. It's got fairly hefty skin on it. Chicken and pork, and strangely, they taste pretty much alike. Very little difference between them. Both good. Both have just a hint of heat. Not much going on heat-wise. Johnsonville. The Johnsonville kind of surprises me because I think it's the least authentic of the 3. Out of the 3, I really like the Aidells. That would be my go-to sausage if I was going to use grocery store sausage for that. I want well, since I've got this sausage here, I'm going to fix myself some dinner. Yesterday, I got a new toy. I got an OXO vegetable chopper, and I practiced with it, chopped up some vegetables. I got them in a baggie here. I'm going to cook those up, throw some sausage in, some cheese, maybe a couple extra mushrooms, and then I'm going to put it on a baked potato. Dinner coming up. Okay, how to do a russet or a sweet potato in the microwave. First, you're going to give it 3 stabs, roll it over, 3 more stabs. That lets the steam out so it doesn't explode. Next, we're going to oil it up. Olive oil or avocado oil works fine. Into the microwave for 6 minutes. At the end of 6 minutes, we turn it 90 degrees and we roll it over and give it 6 more minutes. So some years back, I bought this Kevlar glove because, you know, shaky hands, I was always cutting myself, figured this provided a little protection when it needs to be washed. But it also works really well as a heat guard, and you need that because this sucker is gonna be red hot. There we go. So let's swing this around here a little bit. I'm going to cut it down the middle and use my protected hand to kind of spread it out a little bit. Look at how flaky this is. If anybody ever told you you can't bake a potato in the microwave, they're wrong. These come out great. Put a little butter on here. I kind of hid my butter for myself. Kosher salt. Some fresh ground black pepper. A tiny, tiny bit of garlic powder. Don't want very much, just a little bit on this. That's probably enough. Sour cream. Andouille and veggies. What do you think? Sounds like a good dinner or what? I think it's going to be terrific. As always, thank you for watching. Nothing happens here unless you're a part of it. You being here watching the videos makes a huge difference. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps the channel grow. There's also some links down there, including one to the website. I'm working on getting a lot of extra content on there, hardware reviews, unusual food items. I'm going to try to turn it into a valuable resource. I hope you'll check it out. So once more, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you next video.